morning. We are headed for McAfee Knob today. Stayed at the Huckleberry Hostel last night. Beautiful experience, and I feel rested. So we are headed to the Big Rock. Basically have a full pack today. I did a resupply, so I have food on deck. And hopefully, the goal is 19 today. We will see. At the top of McAfee Knob. Oh yeah, a good day. Mile marker 714. We have made it to McAfee Knob. We're gonna push on today. I am grateful. Tinker Cliffs. Okay, y'all. From Catawba to Dalesville, over McAfee Knob and Tinker Cliffs today, 19.8 miles. We have our trail days. About a hike.